Hello friends, today we will discuss a DAX function EO month. Basically, EO month is basically used to in date and time functions to get a date column. Basically, it returns the date in date time format of the last day of the month before or after a specified number of month. Means if you want to see the last month date of any specified month, you can use this function. So let's see in our data view how we are going to implement these functions. So here I'm using a data set here. So we have a date column here, start date of fielding. Okay, so we will implement our EO month DAX function in this column. So click on table tools and new column. Okay, I'm giving the name of column, it is last date of month. Okay, type EO and you can see that EO month is coming here. Hit tab here and start date. If you see that the function showing here what they require to execute this function. So firstly we have to type a start date. So what is our start date? Our start date is start date of fielding. So just select this start date of fielding, comma, and month. As I earlier told you in my previous video that we will discuss about date, so we have to write down the month number. Okay, so I'm type here 1. So let's see how this DAX functions is giving the value. So you can see that it gives 1 month after our current month date. So if you see that in our current month column, we have a value of 7th of November 2022. Okay, and when we type 1, that means it gives 1 month after our current month. So my month here is right now is November, so it will give the details of December month. And as the function if is EO month, end of month, so it will gives the last date of December. So you can see here it gives 31st of December 2022. And if you want 2 month after the last date of 2 month of with respect to current date, so you can add here. Apart from these, you can see the last month date before any month or month by typing the minus value here. So it will gives 2 month prior to our current date. Our present current date is 7th November and we will degrade it to 2 month, so it will gives 13th 9th 2022. I hope you understand this DAX functions. If you have any query or some suggestion, please comment on my video. I will happy to help you. So thank you. Please like my video and subscribe my channel for these type of useful videos in Power BI and data analysis. Thank you. Thank you so much.